Hi fellow investors, welcome back to the channel. The stock which we are going to analyze today is Tata Motors. I have done a video 3 months back on Tata Motors, which where the stock was exactly at 475 rupees, which where I done a video and said that the target is going to be 600 rupees. Currently I see that the target has achieved, but still I see a very strong potential growth in Tata Motors. If you see the chart on my screen, this chart is a weekly chart. You could able to see it clearly that this Tata Motors stock is in a very bullish phase if you compare the candles from the previous weeks. Let me take you into the daily chart. I see a very strong bullish flag pattern which is currently forming in Tata Motors, which were exactly we need to enter so that we could able to book the profits, and the best entry price for Tata Motors is going to be exactly at 620 rupees here, and the target one is going to be 800 rupees. The best stop loss is going to be just below this strong support line, which is going to be exactly at 600 rupees. I see that a huge potential growth which is going to be happen in Tata Motors as per my technical chart analysis. You know that whoever watching my or following my channel clearly understand that I give you recommendations on any of the company depends on the technical chart patterns, buyers and the seller psychology, volume, trend line patterns, as well as the support and resistance levels. If I see a good pattern which is forming as per my technical analysis, which is where exactly the bullish flag pattern or a cup and holder pattern or the more number of buyers or the heavy mutual funds are accumulating into the stock, then I see that there is a potential growth of that company. Then I will do a video and provide you the recommendation where exactly that we need to enter into the stock and where we need to keep the stop loss and where we need to book the profits. Whenever you achieve the targets, I would recommend you to make sure you book the profits on time, because currently the Nifty is all-time high, so we need to make sure we book the profits on time by not losing any money. If you see the Tata Motor stock, this stock is currently in a very bull trend, which where this has broke a heavy bullish flag over here with a heavy green candle and then move from almost like 500 rupees to exactly at 630 rupees. Currently I see again a bullish flag pattern, which is where the Tata Motors is consolidating here in this pattern, which where you could able to see both the red and the green candles, which are exactly within the same pattern, which is going to break from here and then go into a new higher zone, which is almost like 800 rupees. If you compare the fundamentals of this Tata Motors company, the fundamentals are really very good for this company, and the market capital is 2,24,600 crore, which is really one of the best and the high in the motor sector in India. If you compare it with the book value as well as the face value, which is really good for the Tata Motors, and the Tata Motors is continuously paying a dividend of 0.32% from the past 6 years. If you compare it with the peers, the competitors for the Tata Motors has a huge market capital, but the stock price is very less when it compares with the other competitors in the same sector. When it comes into the quarterly results, the Tata Motors has given a 5,496 crores of profit on March 2023, which is really very high when it compares with the previous quarters. And when it compares with the annual results, the Tata Motors profit for this year 2023 is 2,690 crore, which is really a very good when it compares with the past 4 years from March 2019. When it compares with the compound sales growth, compound profit growth, as well as the return on equity, the Tata Motors is giving a good sales revenue as well as profit revenue, and as well as in a return on equity from the past 3 years. So if you ask me, that this company is really very strong in fundamental, and this company has a very good shareholding pattern, which includes both foreign institutional investors, domestic institutional investors, as well as the government itself holds a 0.14% on this company. When it comes into the technical analysis, this is my all-time favorite. As I said, like I always recommend the stocks when I see that there is a huge breakout which is going to be happen as per the mutual funds are heavily invested, or as per the technical chart patterns and the buyers and the seller psychology. Tata Motors is exactly at a point where we need to enter into the stock to gain more in profits the stock is going to reach at least 800 rupees from now. So I would recommend you keep the stock under your radar and make sure you enter exactly at the right price, which is going to be 620 rupees, and the target one is going to be 800 rupees, and the stop loss is going to be 600 rupees. Consider subscribing my channel so that you will get a notification whenever I posted a videos on breakout stocks as well as value investing stocks. Thank you very much. Have a happy, healthy, wealthy and successful life. Jai Hind.